Okay, what is your stance on the issue of climate change?
I think we don't talk about it enough, and I think it's a huge issue that we should focus more on in politics and our everyday lives.
How do you believe we can lower our carbon emissions?
Eating cleaner, eating food that is produced in closer proximity to us, not using things like Amazon, which is really difficult, but yeah.
What are some ways we can prevent climate change?
Doing all the things well, there's no preventing it now, but there you go.
What would you like the president to address regarding climate change?
To acknowledge that it is real and to re-enter the Paris Agreement because that was a bad decision to pull out of it.
How does climate change affect your life?
Well, we're pretty lucky because it has yet to affect us pretty heavily.
Alright.
What is your stance on the issue of climate change?
What is my stance? I don't believe in climate change at all. I don't think there's enough evidence to support it. I think data's been manipulated in the wrong way. I don't think there's anything supporting what these guys are saying about climate change being real.
How does climate change affect your life?
It doesn't, quite frankly. I live my day-to-day life exactly the same. I don't notice, I drive an electric car, so there's no emissions there, but I haven't noticed, it's cold, it's hot, it's cold, it's raining. Seattle has been the exact same since the day I was born.
Why do you people not believe in climate change?
There's just not when you look at some of the data that they have, you look at the days when we have hot days throughout the year. Some years it's exactly the same as other years. There's not a difference. You look at 5-10 years ago, the amount of hot, cold days we have is exactly the same as it is now. I don't see how there's any difference.
Do you believe that the government is doing enough to address climate change?
Yeah, I think they're doing plenty. What else can they do? I don't think there is much else you can do.
Only reason why the planet could possibly be warming today is not natural cycles, it's not the sun. It's the fact that every time we burn coal and oil and gas, we're producing carbon dioxide, a very powerful heat-trapping gas. That heat-trapping gas is building up in the atmosphere, effectively wrapping an extra blanket around the Earth, a blanket that we did not need. And